Welcome. Happy Friday. Hope you're doing good. If you're new here, hit that sub button or the follow button, whatever you're seeing. If you like my work and want to support me, go ahead and check out my merch store at datafabrications.com or treat me to a coffee, which can also be done at datafabrications.com. Otherwise, I'm just happy you're here. We're working on AI today. So, if you were here last stream, we were having issues with the rat. We can now kill the rat, and hopefully he doesn't kill himself. Okay. Do a standard death, or you can fucking shoot him when he blows up. Yep. Still need to rework the melee a little bit. Oh. We need to rework how the rat attacks us, because as it's set up now, he gets to a certain state, or like distance away from me, and then he just deals damage to me, which we don't want to happen. What we want so we'll have him get to a certain distance, which we may want to change the acceptance threshold to something like 15. And let's play around with this one attack, because that's the one that does kind of work right now. Only thing is, it doesn't actually damage us, so we'll have to set that up. Since he's a grenade, basically, I want him to deal a bit more damage. So that's not too bad. Let's see how far out. He's decently far out. So his standard attacks do 20. We'll copy this whole section. Well, we're gonna need to see if we'll need to see if we're in a radius. So we'll create a new collision. Do a sphere collision. We'll probably do something like this as our detonation radius. So go ahead and name that. US. So now that we have our detonation radius, we're going to go ahead and set collision to overlap all. And hopefully this doesn't affect the attack to begin with. Okay. It doesn't seem so. Well, what we can do is we will get an is overlapping. So we will check, we'll want a branch. And we'll check to see print string. String, say boom. Right, let us know that it boomed. That'll tell us if we're in radius of it. Go ahead and use a sequence. So I want to be calling the player either way. Cast to third person character. Under object we'll get player character. Okay, and on the cast we will I think I can take detonation radius. I can't. Welcome, Luke. You are early today. How are you? If I just do self and third person character, then it's going to create issues because it's going to be a pretty wide gap. Luke is also... Shit. Yeah. Nightbot just told us this is going to be a bad stream. May as well end now. I guess that's it. How do I want to determine whether or not detonation radius what should you add to Nightbot? What can you add to Nightbot? That seems like you can do whatever to it. Can Nightbot have you play Skyrim? Like, can you play Skyrim through Nightbot? Good idea. Put Skyrim. I don't know how to play. I mean, they have Skyrim for Alexa, right? So it'd probably be similar to that. I wonder if anybody's, like, written code for it or something already. Is overlapping. Is overlapping actor. Detonation radius. Is overlapping. So with the third person character. Okay, I'm gonna try Skyrim on Echo. Yeah, they had like a whole commercial about it. I thought it was a joke, but somebody confirmed that it's a real thing. So maybe I'm dumb. But that's what I heard. What is that? It's player overlap? Can I just get player overlap? Do we have to... Oh. Hold on, active. Is overlapping actor. So self? Does that kick back what I need? Nightbot doesn't have... How would I do that? I don't know. I know... Okay, so hold on. To play... Skyrim. I've been streaming for a week now. That's something else. Chat controls everything. What can Nightbot do? Nightbot RPG game. Oh. Can I test my shit in experimental Nightbot CMDs? Flood your chat. Yeah. Okay. I mean, not many people, especially on Twitch, man. Like, not many people watch me on Twitch. Twitch is going through a bunch of hard times right now, apparently. Alright, so we cast third person character. What does this kick back? Does it kick back anything? No. No, it does not. Access none trying to read property. Cast third person character. But if I set it like this, self is not a primitive. Well, you won't let me put this in. Oh wait, yes you will. Yes you will. Wait, don't I destroy the actor? Hold on, so instead of exploding, because that destroys the actor, we'll try that. Welcome, Bailey. How are you doing? How about you have north and south, east, west attack, and short current will display text and other words will do shit. My bot, contact my PC, current the copy search to send. It's Windows only. Let me set up VM. Huh. Sounds interesting. Okay, but like, can I... I'm glad you're good, Bailey. I'm back at trying to get this fucking rat to do stuff. So if he booms, and he bangs, cold emoji. Is it cold? We don't know how effectively that'll work, but if from there is true, delete that. Detonation radius. I can't do player overlap. I can't specify that. It's gotta be third person character. Yeah, we can set up explosion. Well, we'll set up explode, and we'll just, off of this, determine that the player's gonna get damaged. Control C, Control V. So if that's true, we will set this to 75. Okay. That should have done damage to me. There's the exploding. So if I explode, apply damage, damage taken 75. I can't do it because the actor gets destroyed, so we'll have to put a delay. I think you're gonna start doing a teaching thing to do math, but it's gonna be teaching short people. It's gonna be called making the little things count. It's kind of fucked up. Only short people? Like, what's your height cutoff? .1. .411. Oh, okay. Why are you gonna see me there? Calling me short? Oh. Don't know about that. Like, I'm outside of your cutoff range. You just said you wouldn't teach me if I was over 4'11". Like 6 foot. Okay, well he's hurting me. Because it's on a delay. That's what makes that whole midget joke kind of funny. It's like, honest to God, she was about head height with my groin. Let's try that. That midget fucker me with the same height. Oh my God. Yeah, that's why it's so weird. Okay, so this isn't working the way I wanted it to work. It should damage me. No, so technically she wasn't a midget, I guess. She classified herself as a homunculus, so that stands for like perfectly proportioned small person. So she looked like a normal person. She was just really short. And no, she wasn't fat. She was really skinny. So the overlapping actor... Damage taken. How about you do a chat plays Skyrim? It's 2 a.m. for you. So bye. Well, you have a gay night as well, Bailey. Have the gayest night of your life. You do chat plays Skyrim. What does that mean, Luke? Yeah. Talking about fucking midgets. Okay, so like on success. Let's just think about this for a second. Alright. So basically this is just saying once the AI has moved to a specific location, I need it to explode. Alright, now on exploding, which I should probably calculate damage at that step, which will be wherever the end of this is. Over here. Spawn emitter at location. Destroy actor. So prior to destroying actor, like chat says west and the character goes west, a Twitch stream will show the Skyrim game. If we had like enough people on Twitch, that would be interesting. It'd be like Twitch plays Pokemon. We should do a Twitch plays Pokemon. It's probably less chaotic than trying to play Skyrim through it. Can you hold on? Twitch plays Pokemon. Would that work with like YouTube chat, or does it have to be Twitch chat? I need to know now. Cause I'll set a little fucking Game Boy in the corner of my screen for people to play Pokemon if they want. I bring more people to my Twitch chat if it's only Twitch too. This is an intriguing idea, Luke. Wonder how hard the setup is. Let's listen to this guy talk about it.
Hey guys, I've recently created multiple Twitch Play scripts. These scripts take messages from chat rooms on the popular
He's like
website,
the same subscriber count as me.
To issue commands to my computer. I've had many people message me asking for help building their own. This video will go over how to build a simple Twitch of other development environments, but it's really up to the pro where it's installed. And this time I'll show you how to do that. So we'll click New Build System, and you'll get rid of this screen. So then you target the description below. It is linked to a page hub. That you're using. So if you have a bot account, maybe pretend to be that and type anything you want. So it's quite useful to get. Exactly up. Then we do an AHK key press on up. So what this does is every time a user types up, then we'll be pressing the up arrow on our keyboard. Now another one is, for example, A. If the user types A, then we'll press Z or Z. Now the reason it's not A to A is because for example, for Twitch Plays Pokemon, the A button...
So I could do this without interfering with what I'm doing. Huh. Does it work for YouTube chat though? Yeah, it kind of looks like it's only Twitch. Because it's like a Twitch plugin. Huh. Interesting. Oh my god, Kitty. What are we doing? So I run a secondary computer for my VTuber software. It doesn't necessarily need to rely on keystrokes, so I could do half the screen and then cut it to like a Pokemon screen. We could put that in the stream. I just don't know how well something that like will dominantly have to be playing like Skyrim's gonna work. Unless we're just doing it for like okay, hold on. Okay, so here we got explode. And then here is where I am determining whether or not I am in radius. I don't know. What are your thoughts, Luke? Game development gets kind of boring to watch. What if you could play Pokemon in the corner? Incentivize people to come to Twitch. Did I lose you, Luke? Are you dying? Did you die? BRB. He doesn't like the idea. Okay, so unexplode instead of destroy actor. Well, I need to destroy actor when I spawn giblets. Okay. So all I know is I need to do this before I destroy the actor. So we can sequence. Here. Sequence. If that's true, we're gonna go boom. Boom. There, that's right. Oh god. Where are you going? Back here. Didn't boom for me. Is it not close enough? No, it was pretty close. That should have triggered. Good player input. So boom never occurs. I guess I don't need to sequence the branch out. I can just plug that in from there. And I can take this and maybe delay it for a second. Oh, that worked. Delay for 0.1 second, maybe? Now the question is, can I dodge the boom? I hit the wrong button. Hit the wrong button. Well. It'll be hard, but likely possible, so we'll just ignore that. Delete this. Then we can damage the player. Now that'll occur whether or not I blow it up in my face or the rat does it on its own. So we got that working. Now, I need to create a radius in where his little basic attack will hit me. So we will do that by doing a line trace because that's the most responsive hit. There it is. So I want to run a line trace between delete that. And we're gonna add sphere collision. Scale that bitch down. Okay. Probably scale it. Do attack line start. And we'll duplicate, and that'll be attack line end. And then we can do a line trace by channel. There's a multi-line trace. Not just one line trace. Line trace channel. Okay, we also want to put that under the mesh. Attack line end under the mesh. And then we're gonna do rat head end. Do the same here. End. Viewport. Oh no. Oh, hold on. I'll take you. Pause animations. And we'll set our attack. Pull you out here. Pull you out here. Alright. We'll take start Get location. TION. Get world location. We'll plug that in. And get world location. What's up, Cocaine? How you be? Okay, now I want an event tick. Hey, Cocaine, I got a question for you. If you could play Pokemon in my chat, would you? Do you think that's something I should add? I'm good, man. Still kind of fighting this fucking bug, whatever it is, but feeling pretty good. Working on AI right now. So like, if I had like a Twitch plays Pokemon type thing in the corner of my fucking screen, would you guys play Pokemon? That's what I want to know. Okay, so now it's gonna come up a fucking attack. Those animations are still paused. It's not even hitting me. Why is that? It's because it's too far in. Pause animations. I should be triggering that red line. Does it trigger when it hits like wood and shit? I could also try. Let's add a reroute. Luke said he'd be right back. Bailey said it's 2 a.m. and she's gotta go to bed. Well, you're the only one that showed up, but I'm also only on my first hour. The vast majority of the time you guys show up like fucking 3-4 hours into my stream. At least after the first hour. So you guys are a little early. Pretty low volume stream today, not gonna lie. Like YouTube's been burying most of my videos, so I'm not surprised. Add a reroute node. Hello, I'm Zoe, I exist. Yeah. Okay, so maybe instead of doing a line trace, do a branch. You can get is overlapping. Wow. Why do you not need an exclamation mark for your? I thought you always needed one for Nightbot. Is overlapping actor. So we can see if self is overlapping with the cast to person character. So we try that. See how that works. What's going on? Oh. Be a player character. And then we can do that. It would help to print string. Yeah. See, I don't like that. Third person character, player overlap. We get player overlap. Can I set that as other, or does it have to be? It can't be either. Fuck. Can't be either. This overlapping actor. Target is primitive component, so there are two different overlapping actors. Swing itself. Maybe? Will that give an error? Might give an error. Instead of doing that, let's look at, oh yeah, I've got, detonation radius, so I want it to be the, sphere. That's why it's so big. I can't even do that, can I? How do I determine? We'll have to find a new way to do that. I could spawn a collision. Basically, if I took off detonation radius, this could be solved, but overlapping component. Is that what I wanted? That might be what I wanted to do. Let's go up here and fix is overlapping components. Player overlap, we can do, just delete one of these. Take that. We'll just do attack area. And do is overlapping component. And take our attack area. And that should let us know that we are in range to be attacked. And if I'm standing on top of this, he decides, oh, I'm gonna attack you. Can't because he's a dumb bitch. Aha. I think we got it. Got it figured out. Alright. Okay. So I don't need the line trace. This is the logic that we need. Right in between there. Okay. And we'll take off that branch. And attack. We'll reset the attack after we make the determination. player if it's true. And go ahead and reset the attack if it's false. And then if it is true, and we do take damage, we also want to reset the attack. So that'll be attack 1. So okay, that means the rat can now kill me and I can kill the rat. Also, he's fucking running around with no tech, no animations, so let's unpause that. Okay. Yep. Now. Okay. I'm gonna drink my beer. Oof. That's quick. Okay. I think I might need a block. I mean, you can always just fucking shoot him. But, should be dead. There we go. It's not too hard to kill. They're a little wily. I don't know if I want to give them that much health though. Basic attack. Oh my god. Let's see if I can hide from him. Okay. So we got basic attack 1. And I will be right back. Beautiful. Alright. Okay, so since that's working, we'll just go ahead and comment this. This will be is in range. Okay, so if it's in range, we'll go ahead and reset our attack, either if it's false or not. So it'll allow him to kind of do something else. We want to go up to explode. Collision radius. I want to get player over PLAYER overlap. We got player overlap, and then we'll do is overlapping component. Alright, because that works better. I'm not relying on some weird other collision, like fucking whatever that is. Sphere. I should really name these. Oh, yeah, that's lock on. CK on range. Okay. Alright. Okay. So now, I want to give him another attack. Alright, but we could also... attack. We'll do... is in range. Damaging player. It's a nice long string of code. Explode down here. Gotta make it a little more neat. What can I even have him do? Let's open up our animation and look at that fucking god awful rig I made for this guy. Let's see what we can do. Bomb rat. Just open up block. Or I should have opened up idle. That's what I should have done. Alright, here's what I know. I can't rotate it. Otherwise I fuck the whole fucking rig up. Okay. You can delete all. I made him like a little ball. Can he go ball mode? Let's find out. It's not pretty. At all. Let's look at just the bones. I didn't even set up his fucking spine for him, did I? I don't think I can ball him up. I mean, I can, I'll just have to delete all that shitty controls I made for him. So the skin weights are fucked. It's okay. I don't know. I haven't like roll towards you as like a ball. He's got like an attack. You could maybe get him to like jump at you. I don't think I want to give him a ranged attack or anything. So if I close this, close. Alright, we'll reopen it. Grim. Bomb rat animations. Open up idle this time. I'm gonna play something else. I listened to a lot of this yesterday. We'll do... yeah, we'll do Year of the Dragon. Alright, so we'll just delete all our constraints. Yeah. Better. Bomb rat, we'll delete effectors. Effector should be able to move all this freely now. Yeah. Yeah, I did a really bad job rigging that. Now I can ball them up. Fucking instructors like never gonna animate with bones. I beg to differ. And now that it's all separate, I should be able to rotate the whole damn thing, so yay me. Alright, so we'll just... I'll just ball him up and do a little spin. He'll do a spin dash. That's what he'll do. It distorts his mesh a little bit too much. So I'll do that. something like that. I can move his hips down. Gonna put the root towards the center of this bitch. Like that. And I can take both his legs, wrap them up. Could have used a neck. Right, so we can just rig all those bones and set it there. Well, what we'll do, we'll find the root, which is this guy right here. We'll set your rotate to something like 360. Right. And that's not bad. Okay. So, obviously that animation looks pretty choppy. We're gonna fix that by going to Display or Windows, Animation Editors, Graph Editor. We'll take all of our bones, select them all. Alright, we want to get rid of that curve, so we're going to go Tangents, Linear. Now we've got the looping animation that doesn't slow down or speed up at the beginning. So we can stop. We'll save this as stop bomb rat animations, bomb rat roll. We definitely want him to have a few variations in attack, but he is a suicide enemy, so it'd be good if he didn't just come up and bite you and blow up. Doesn't make for very engaging combat. Bomb rat. So I saved it as a Maya light. Okay. Now all we have to do is select all of our bones because we don't really need the mesh. We'll go ahead and go into animation. We'll key bake simulation. I'm just gonna set a keyframe on all of them. Normally that's not necessary because I do that in our export, but been not having too much luck doing that for this, so yeah, bake animations should be happening on export. You back, can't sleep. Still struggling with the time change. I feel ya. I'm making the rat roll. Making a rolling rat. Forgot what I was doing. Bomb rat. Animations. Rat roll. Exported as an FBX. Yeah. Yeah. Figure you probably have to deal with that for a little while. So do you have family out there? That just like, to me that just seems like a hell of a trek from New York to Slovakia. Yeah, I do. Okay. That makes more sense then. That's cool though. Like all of my immediate family are all from America. From America. We came from Texas. The past like 4 generations, or at least from Texas. Bomb rat. We can import our animation. Ugh. I just want to be done with this fucking cold. Well, that's fine because I didn't import a mesh, so. Bomb rat roll. Yeah, look at that roll. And do it at like a rate of like 4. I don't know. Let's see how well Unreal interpolates between those. So let's set up a new action. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna get the AI to move. To target actor. How do I want to do that? I mean, we definitely want to have AI move too. Alright, this is something that's gonna happen. Alright, we also want a new variable. We'll call it roll. Okay. Roll will be initiated on the start of this. So we'll set roll to true. You hit 1,000 likes on your alt on your TikTok. Nice. I don't think I have that many. I have that many followers. I just don't think I have that many likes. On TikTok, I currently have almost 300 likes. Yeah. TikTok's kind of fun. I'm getting used to it. I'm very new to TikTok. I haven't really used it up until like a few months ago. Maybe a month or 2 ago. I wasn't even going to use it to begin with, but a lot of people were saying you might as well use TikTok, so I was like, okay, well, if more than one person tells me to do it, then obviously I must do it. So we'll set roll to true. Now, on success, meaning that it finished going wherever it's trying to go. We want to set roll to false. Okay, now the target actor the other thing we want to do is we'll set set our character. We'll get our character movement. We'll set max walk speed. We need to set that twice. So we'll just drag you in there. That is so many likes. Okay, so in character movement, we got a max walk speed, or max walk speed is going to be 600. So at the end of this, we're going to set it back to 600. Okay, we're doing this. I'm going to set it to like fucking 2,000. Alright. Honestly, we can just plug these in and see what happens if we connect it to player. Target actor. I want him to overshoot the player a little bit. Detta, I did it. I got him in Arkham Knight. Oh my god, did you? Pix or it didn't happen. Pix or it didn't happen. We need to see fucking low poly Batman. I'll send an image in Discord. Let me open Discord. Is Arkham Knights, is that Unreal? Is that why it was so easy? So on success, he'll roll, and then we set everything back and turn off roll. Basically. That's the logic for this other attack. That's pretty much what we're going for. But we need to do one other thing, right? Because this roll isn't gonna happen on its own. We need to go into our animation blueprint. Okay, you can go from idle, walk, run. You can add a state. Call it roll. Alright. Now in our event graph, we're going to get our bomb rat. We need to get roll. And we can promote that to a variable. It's Unreal 3? Oh, is that the original Batman? Get released that allows mesh swapping from Unreal 3 games. Yeah, fuck. I started with Unreal 3. You can't even download it anymore. I wanted to play one of like my old projects. So I made a troll map for. Hold on, I think I'm still waiting on Discord. Yeah, I made a troll map for my professor in Unreal 3 I wanted to record. But, they like discontinued the engine, so I can't even download it again. One of the best, yeah. Oh my god, I thought it was 4, to be honest. That's nuts. Good roll. If roll is true, go ahead and enter roll state. If roll is not true, no, I just want not. Boo. I want not equal to. Don't help. Tori sent me a thing. What is this? What is this? I might have to watch that later. That's kind of a long video. Yeah, I think I'm still waiting on Discord to open. I don't know what's going on. Discord! It's like not even trying right now. Hold on. Alright, Discord, you son of a bitch. None of you are working, so all of you must die. Discord. Yeah, I got the notification. Alright. Discord is now opening. We'll get it. We'll get in there. We're gonna see it. Imagine you forgot to press open. I was like, no, I hit it like 5 times. There's no way. Okay, so in here, right, we can take our roll animation, make sure that it knows that this is a looped animation so it doesn't do some weird bullshit. And we have an error, so let's figure out what property associated with roll could not be found. That's because this hasn't been compiled yet. Okay. And to test it out, we are going to set this directly here. What an interesting little attack he's got. It's like damn near impossible to like shake when he's rolling. And now he's just like perma rolling. Look at that. I find it funny how I said it as a joke that I was going to get him into Arkham Knight, then proceeded to... Yeah, welcome to game development. That's what we do, man. We joke around about stuff and then we just do it, because it's funny. Okay, I think it's open. Alright. Let's see this. Oh... my lord. It's so good. That is so good. Oh my god. What is up with the fucking bump maps? Are those aren't on the other pictures? Huh. Oh. Have you had a gay night? Oh, I'm having a gay night. Oh, it's the showcase only. Oh, okay. Data likes men. Do I? Look at that rolling rat. Look at that. You know why he continues to do that? Because sometimes he fails to reach me. And if he fails, then it never sets him back from a rolling state. He's gonna try. He's gonna try to roll on me. So I had to keep them. For some reason, Showcase breaks your game if you remove bump maps. Oh, that's weird. Can you just add like your own bump maps? That was so good. Okay, he's trying to roll. I think I can do a retriggerable delay on fail. So on success, it turns it off. So that means he has touched me. He can stop rolling. And he goes really fast. Yeah, you can, but replacing them with a blank one on the showcase does the same thing. I don't know why, because I got it to work with the actual playable one. Yeah, that is weird. Wonder if they're borrowing normals from something else. Honestly, that's kind of intimidating, considering another attack he has is to fucking explode and do like 75 damage to you. Like, there's no escaping him when he rolls. I'm just gonna take his fucking roll. He's also like way too fucking accurate. Oh. That like follows me, and we don't want that. Give him micro normals, meaning if you look closely at his suits, you can see things of fabric. Oh. Yeah, that makes sense. You probably, so in Unreal what you can do is in your materials. Let me open up a material real quick. This has been a thing since 3, but you can basically separate things into like red, green, and blue. So what a lot of developers will do is they'll create maps that are just kind of separate. Like, so if you wanted to build like kind of a clothing material and you had like fabric, leather, and you know, silk or whatever, you could build 3 of those maps, put it all in one map, and then fucking mask it out between red, green, and blue on the character. And it just allows you to do some weird shit. So maybe that's what they're doing, and that's why you're having issues. I don't know. Even on his skin, yeah. Okay, so let's say instead of target actor, we'll get player character, get world location. Get world location. Capsule component. I mean, it's not doing this perpetually. So instead of target actor, we'll just do destination. See if he actually follows me with that selected. Well, he kind of does. Yeah. Even on his skin, downside that, yeah. Yeah, I mean, it optimizes it. Helps you save fucking resources on texturing, especially in Unreal 3. That was huge. Unreal 5 really don't give a fuck about anything. So destination. How would I do that? Where it basically like takes your location once. Is this off of an event tick? Let's follow player. Which hate certain groups of people. Oh, yes. Once my game reinstalls, should I provide a video of him in action? Yeah. Yeah, you should. It's fucking funny. Low poly Batman. I should do a whole fucking Let's Play arc. The Adventures of Low Poly Batman. Okay, now that I have some people in my chat, I have a question. If I had like a little fucking Pokemon thing that you could interact with up in the right hand corner of this video, would you play Pokemon on it? What if I make a low poly version of all the main characters? Yeah. Or if you just replaced all of the characters with fucking low poly versions. Low poly thugs, low poly scarecrow. Yeah. Just redo all of it in like super low poly and then do a whole fucking playthrough of it. Oh man. That'd be the shit. Alright, so there's gotta be a way. What was I doing? You distracted me, sir. Okay, so we get... Okay, yeah, no, that's what I was doing. Okay, so follow player, find references, follow player, unsee pawn. We'll follow the player. Okay, so it's not an event tick. And destination is always going to check for the world location of the pawn. Can I get last location, or will I have to break that and like fucking... Or hold on. I got it. Since all the other suits have a description, I'm planning on adding a new suit slot. What should low poly Batman's description be? Should be I'm not the potato that this city needs. There. What was his quote? Not the hero Gotham deserves quote. This is not the hero Gotham deserves, but not the one he needs right now. Yeah, so instead of like hero, you put potato. He's not the potato Gotham deserves. but the one, but yeah. Wait, low poly. Oh yeah, dude, did you miss it? Fucking, so in Arkham Knights, he put this low poly Batman he made in it, so he can run around as low poly Batman. We're joking about he needs to like replace all of the characters with super low poly models and just have the adventures of low poly Batman. You use a Nokia? It's an old school device. Okay, so how do I get an object to rotate towards the player? E5, rotate TWORDS player. How do I set up an NPC rotating towards the player? Get player. Get actor location. Find, look at, rotation. Okay, so get actor location. Get actor location. How are you guys commanding Nightbot without using the exclamation mark? That's what I want to know. I need to know it. Alright. We're gonna pull all of that. Alright, that's not gonna mean a goddamn thing right now. Alright. Get actor location. Find look at rotation. No, not find relative, look at rotation. Bailey is back. Welcome back, Bailey. Nice to see you. Would you play the Adventures of Low Poly Batman? So start would be self, and then target would be player character. Get actor look. I need two of them. That's how that works. Bailey, you missed low poly Batman. Yeah, here, Bailey. Look at this thing. Doesn't it look great? Don't you just want to play Arkham Knights as this Batman? Or better yet, wouldn't you want to play Arkham Knights with everybody being as low poly as that? Yes. Yes, all of the yes. Good, and yours mid. Why is your day mid? Cocaine. Fine lookout. Okay, so we can break this. Alright. Or make. Vector, I believe. Not make vector. That's just a vector. Maybe instead of AI move 2. Okay, move 2. Target actor. Location. Did you feel unfulfilled and emo? Cut my life into pieces. DOS is my last resort. I just made him a while on your stream. Had the idea. Yeah. It's a good idea. It's a good idea, sir. This is your last mistake. I feel ya. AI move. Let's move to actor or location. Controller, self, goal, location, goal, actor. Alright, well, I guess we can take this and set up our lock on visibility. What are we? Daddy, you gotta dip. Alright, man. You have a wonderful rest of your night. So, this is death. And show bubble. Alright, so in here, lock on visibility. We can take you and set world rotation. Set world rotation of Sol. We can get the world rotation here. Okay. That doesn't work. Look at that. Set an event tick. It's off of an event tick. Get actor location. So the actor location would be Sol. Get component. What you doing, Meow Meow? Location. Location. I'm gonna stay here. Bailey's leaving. You have a gay night as well. Oh, cocaine's still here. Cocaine. Set world or get world location. I think it's get world location. So we get the world location, that'll be the start. I'm gonna get actor location, which would be the third person character. I'm gonna set world location of the soul. And that should rotate when we go to fucking lock on. But it's not. Does it rotate when we... Oh, you know what? Look at that. It does. But because it's let's set that to 90, negative 90. See if that fixes it. What the flying fuck is that? Why is it doing that? I mean, it's like... It does appear to be rotating, it's just like 90 degrees off. Do I have to break it and then fucking rotate it by 90 manually? That's kind of what it looks like. Alright, we'll just set that to 0. A break. Rotator. And then make rotator. Alright, and just looking in the viewport, there's quite a few things I don't want to rotate, like in this axis, like what it's doing, so that's going to be Y, and the x-axis, I want no fucking bearing in that. So x and y will be 0, leaving our yaw to be the only difference. So we'll take that. We will plus or add 90 to it. And we'll see how that does. Well, now it faces away from me. So, mission successful. Oh. Look at that. Now it's not doing the weird ass shit. Yep. Seems to take more hits than he should. Comment, soul, face, player. So... Now, let's think about how we want to do this. So, set our max walk speed, 2,000. Our destination, we're going to want to take Bomb Rat. We'll just get forward vector. Get forward vector. Here. Get forward. Get actor forward vector. Reference will be self. We will times that by a float, and we'll do 500. Okay. So now, let's see how that affects his roam. I think he's working. He's not derping out at all. He's definitely going about 500 units in front of himself. Yeah, now his rolls are even longer. He doesn't end. Because it's always gonna fail. So do I just set it here? Or if we fail. Yeah, because he'll always fail. The target actor stop on overlap. Maybe we do a move. Move to. Move to location or actor. So instead of that, we do on move finished. Set controller self, which it already is. Go location. Lock all AI logic. Oh no, what did I do? This blueprint itself is not an AI controller, therefore controller must have a connection. What do you mean it's not an AI controller? There's fucking AI right there. Character movement. Fuck. Movie actor. Move to location or actor. What do I do? I got a bomb rat. What is AI? Get AI controller, maybe? Does that work? Well, it sure is rolling. On request failed. Think I can shoot him while he's rolling. I got him. Hmm. Why doesn't he? It's not like resetting itself. That's the problem I'm having. Yes. I need to do like a blood splatter. Roll. Block all AI logic. On move finished. Oh. I think he just likes rolling too much. I don't think it matters what I let him do. That rat has just decided that is its favorite thing to do. Yep. I wonder how accurate I have to be. That's a problem. That is a real problem. Oh my god. Fuck. Yeah. I mean, do I even have to like... I can be so far off on my aim and fucking blow him up. It's amazing. Fucking use his head as the top. Stop on overlap default, accept partial path. Yes. Yes. No. Default, whatever. Move actor to acceptance radiance. Do 0. Accept partial path. Does that fix it? Nope. Still rolling. Or I guess since all he does is roll when he... Well, that should only be when... Wait. What the fuck? Alright, well... That's no better. I plugged in the right thing. So let's try this. Okay. On success. He should stop rolling. Oh my god. Alright, well. This ain't happening tonight. I think I'm gonna end stream a little bit early. Thank you guys for coming out, showing your support. Always appreciated. Thanks for watching. Tune in tomorrow for more banjo. I might not drink tomorrow. I still kind of feel under the weather. But we'll have fun. Yeah.